Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Norm here. Just giving you a 21-day update about my bike. So the dealership finally called me back on Friday saying that they were able to look at my parts. They made a parts list, $5,200 worth of damage on that one. So the service manager has a vacation day today, and they're closed Monday. So they'll be sending the claim into KTM tomorrow. We'll see how that goes, and they should get back to me. From everything that I've seen, I won't be getting my parts back in time for my event on the 16th, so I had to go rent a bike. I'm gonna go a little bit old school here. Use a 2005 KTM 525 EXC. Got a new battery for it. Tire, oil change, spark plug, tube, rim strip. So in the meantime, I've been working on my trailer as well, waiting for parts. I have my students helping me with this one. I put 4-foot LED shop lights in here. I got a power inverter temporarily strapped to the roof. So bear with me. That goes down to my power distribution block so I can run the emergency power brake on this one. Got the 7-pin trailer connector inside. Got some distribution blocks. And I put a battery on the outside. So we'll go take a look at that real quick. So the cover's inside there. I got a circuit breaker inside the truck for this one. We're gonna go ahead and hook up here. Then I got a solar panel that we're going to hook up, and this will be self-sustaining. Right now that's going to charge off the 7-pin trailer. Got the Renogy high quality solar module. It's got a 10 amp control unit, so that way it charges perfectly, doesn't overcharge it, doesn't undercharge it. And there's the panel itself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go put some quick command hooks on the trailer. And then that way we can go ahead and hang the panel depending on where the sun is. And then when I drive with it, I can put the solar panel inside to keep it from getting damaged. I don't want to put on the roof because this thing's going to be sitting outside. And then when I have snow, cloudy days, rainfall, stuff like that, and then leaves in the fall, I don't want it to allow the battery to discharge and get damaged. A little update on the 525 KTM. I'm waiting for the owner to get me some more money so we can start ordering more parts. I got the harness in, all the emission stuff in, new triple clamps, subframe on there, harnesses ran. So once I get throttle cables, handlebars, the fork situated, I can start putting this thing back together a little bit quicker. Keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.